Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 13th to 17th of March 2023 on Monday. Nomaswazi is heartbroken when Gingy shows no remorse about trying to murder her. Raising Muzi is taking a toll on Nosipho. Mrs. Madlala is a gone girl. Prince has her heart on Tuesday. Sibonelo faces trouble from Hlelo and Philippe and he has to find a solution to his dilemmas. Mondli is not happy at being the afterthought regarding his son's life. Njinji wants to get back to business, but while Kapsile starts new journey with a co-host on Wednesday. Sibonelo lays out his plan to launder money through Lokshin Bling. Nosipho finally gives in and decides to get proper rest. Hlelo is shocked to find 2 dead bodies in the freezer on Thursday. Hlelo tips off the police. Kapsile and Sarah shows producers positive numbers. Arrested Nosipho connects with Muzi on Friday. Njinji requests an audience with Sibonelo. Mondli's disdain for the Gwales continues to grow. Mrs. Madlala levels up her game with her prison ban. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.